In this video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your HP Laserjet Pro. Could be also a color Laserjet Pro. So the first thing before attempting to remove the stock paper from the paper jam is to unplug the printer from the wall outlet, because this printer can get very warm inside and we don't want to burn ourselves. So over here, I will simply go ahead and pull the plug. Now, before doing anything else, I suggest waiting at least 2 or 3 minutes so the printer cools down. After 2 minutes, let's find the paper jam. So on the side over here, you're going to have a button. This is the right side of the printer. Press on it. It will unlatch the front panel that we can now swing down this way. Now, if you have a cartridge, a toner inserted, you'll be able to grab it and remove it. In my case, I don't have any toner in this printer. But at this point, what you can do is to simply take a look inside. There's a good chance that you're going to find some stock paper around these rollers or deeper inside of the printer. With your fingers or a pair of tweezers, you'll be able to take it out. So try to see if there's any stock paper. At the end, simply put back this door. Now, if you were not able to find your paper jam, you can go on the back of the printer. And over here, this is a door that we can open really easily. Put your finger in this hole and bring down the panel. As you see now, we have a better look on the back rollers over here. And again, there's a good chance that you're going to find some stock paper in case you didn't find your paper jam up in the front. Over here we have a small sticker saying to us that this part over here gets very warm. So again, this is why you need to wait at least 2-3 minutes before sticking your finger inside, because you can burn yourself if not. If you're still having issues and you didn't find your paper jam, well, the only 2 places that you can still check is the paper input. So by removing this drawer completely, take a look over here. Maybe the paper got stuck in those rollers. If not, there's also the secondary input right over there. So these were the 4 different places where you can check out in case you're having a paper jam. Please leave a like, but also a comment down below if this solved your issue. If it didn't work, well, I want to know as well. Don't forget to plug your printer at the end, and the error should go out by itself. Thanks for watching.